Alright, welcome back to Gunka Maintenance. Well, I got a broken vertical blind gear. Sometimes you can re-snap this off, but sometimes they get weak and then you'll need a new one. Sometimes it's better to just go with a new one if it's too weak to hold the deal. But just showing you that sometimes you can, you know. Today, I'm going to be taking this apart. And what this has is a holder back here on the far one. And they're all a little bit different. Looks like this one is a metal one, darn it. Those are a little trickier, depending on what's going on. So. Screw here. Let's see how far can we slide this one far enough to get it out of there, or no. Let's see. Almost, not quite. I need just a little more. Oh, this one. It's got a screw in it. Looks like it's been replaced before. Let's see. Looks like screws on to one side, maybe. Just one. Be careful in there, it's all sharp edges up inside there. A few turns on it. Come on, buddy. A few more turns on it. Should be almost there. Hopefully our new one will work for this. It's got a slightly different design on it. As it clips under the front deals and then just holds it via the clip. We'll see, we'll give it a shot. There's a lot of different versions and brands of these, so always changing something. There we go. It's the old one. And here's our new one. Let's see if we can push it on and clip it in. Sometimes they'll just clip in. Sometimes you gotta get it forward enough and clip it under, and I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna try to pull this one over a little bit more and see if I can just tuck this in. By pulling a little stronger. No, probably not. Darn it. That can't all be easy. Sometimes with these you can pull the back one down. It doesn't look like that with this one. Alright, so we got another way. Okay, so on this one, I have to pull 2 screws out. Or at least loosen them. hooks that thing in. Oh gosh. I've got just two hooks. The hook under the back one. It's hardly worth it. With a new headrail at this point, I can slide it over. I can't slide it over. There it is. Alright, we unhooked it. Okay. And maybe it is working. Okay. So now we can slide this one forward. And what we want to do is hook under front gill. Get it to grab in there. There's so many different versions of this that they don't all fit the same way, so that's the tricky part. Oh gosh, this might be one that does not fit, which will mean that I should have done this a different way. Oh gosh. Yep. All different brands on these. Oh gosh. So what we can do is take this way and we can link it. Now it may change a little bit the way that it rotates, but that might not be a problem, and it might be. We'll see here. What we gotta do is re-slide that one on. Okay, put this one on backwards, so it's not going to work forward. And now we can add our screw through the back, so we're going to lose the screw. Which we sort of did. There it is. Yeah. All right. Okay. Through. Back. A lot easier while we got this out here. In theory. Now it's anchored to the first one. It's awfully close to that first one. That might be a problem. We may have to take out that first peg. I've got enough coverage on this though that it wouldn't matter to take out that first peg. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and verify that I have enough coverage. I should say I have enough coverage when I haven't. Yeah, see, we've got so much overlap here that it's not necessary for this one. So go ahead and pop this out if I can without going too crazy. Just crazy enough. And the little comb here came out, and I can try to use that somewhere else in the future as well. Alright. Okay. Now I'll slide this forward, I'll slide it on. Don't need that extra deal on there as it would have messed this up. And we'll have enough coverage there. Now we need to rehook the end here. Hopefully, I can just push it in. That may prove a little trickier. Tricky, tricky. There we go. Fell a little away. Okay. So I need to push this on. Yeah, under the there. Gonna need to slide this a bit more and examine this one, how the hooks are. Okay. Should be able to maneuver this. Just can't see what I'm doing really. Gonna take off one more slat here. In theory. I can just, nope, can't just slide it on. There we go. Ah, a little tip forward, like tip the deal forward and that did it. Okay. So I'll tighten this down. We can our 2 line slats there. Now, in theory, we'll be all right. Time is going to tell whether that's true or not. And we may have reversed our method of rotating, so we may have to tuck each of the blinds in a different way because of that. So let's see here. Got the wand. Logistics is always a little tricky. Okay. Hey. Oh, we're working good. Okay. So now we've got our end cap and the screw. And I'll add my missing blind slats. And we're going to be back in the mix. Just had to reverse this here. Now it won't work for every situation, but just showing you some of the things that you run into out there as things go on and things change. They're always changing the vertical blinds parts, and but I'm glad to show you a few different options. Let's see how many slats we've got. Like 3. 1, 2, and there we go. All right, we've got enough coverage for the deal. It's great. We made it work. All right. Thanks for watching. Kung Fu Maintenance. There's always a way. All right. Well, it's better to open your blinds first. Oh yeah, I see. Got a pretty gnarly bend right here in this track. So it's probably going to be a good idea to work that out right now. It's right here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yay! That could have been what caused this whole thing, and that it, you know, could be a sticking point. So we worked out the bend. Yeah, works good now. And I like this wand control. It's got kind of a beefier deal than here's the old one. This one, you see how it doesn't really lock it in, and this one actually doves into the deal. So rather than this can kind of float up a little bit and kind of hang up, this one's just got a track groove. All right, back in the mix. And I just gotta add or fix this, replace maybe this blind valance, add a few extra holders, and that's that.
Also, links to parts, products, and tools shown in the videos can be found in the links below. Hope to be bringing you better and better videos, and I make a small commission on anything you order through there, so it helps me to help support what I do. Thanks for watching. Hope you gained some nice ground using the knowledge you gained from watching